Welcome back to the Mammoth Club YouTube channel. Today, we've got the latest AI news. Let's dive in. Apple's secret AI weapon, a smart answer engine? Apple might be cooking up its very own AI answer engine to compete with the heavy hitters like ChatGPT and Google Bard. This means Siri could soon get a serious brain boost, serving you sharper, smarter answers right when you need them. The key points. Apple's investing big in AI to power a new answer engine. This tech could bring Siri up to speed with AI giants. Think faster, clearer, and more helpful answers on your devices. Stay tuned to Apple's AI moves to get smarter tools in your pocket. Knowing this helps you leverage cutting-edge features and stay ahead in the tech game. AI Doc, alert, robots can take your doctor's job, but nurses. Google DeepMind CEO Demis Hassabis just dropped some truth bombs about AI in healthcare. AI can step in for doctors, but not nurses. Robots might be diagnosing your illness soon, but the human touch in nursing is irreplaceable. The highlights. AI can replace doctors for diagnosis and treatment plans. Nurses' empathy and care can't be replicated by AI. AI helps doctors work smarter, not make nurses obsolete. Knowing AI's sweet spot in healthcare helps you play smart, embrace AI tools, but value human skills that tech can't mimic. Stay ready for an AI-powered medical future. Mistral's meteoric rise, chasing a $10 billion dream. Mistral is turning heads with a fresh fundraising round, aiming to skyrocket its valuation to a whopping $10 billion. This AI startup is cruising at full throttle, ready to shake up the industry with cutting-edge tech and serious ambitions. The breakdown. Scooped fresh funds to boost AI tech and growth targets, $10 billion valuation in latest funding round positioning to rival big AI players. Soon, keep tabs on Mistral's explosive growth to spot future AI trends early and leverage emerging tech before it hits mainstream. Smart moves here mean staying a step ahead of the AI curve. Clash of the AI titans. Anthropic blocks OpenAI from Claude models. Drama alert in the AI playground. Anthropic just slammed the door on OpenAI, cutting off access to its prized Claude models. It's a wild move shaking up the AI world and stirring competition. The lowdown. Anthropic bans OpenAI from using its Claude AI models. Moves intensify rivalry between top AI innovators, raises questions on AI partnerships and data access. Knowing who controls what AI tech helps you spot shifts in the industry fast. Stay sharp to leverage emerging tools before they hit mainstream. Vogue's AI Ad Drama. More than just a fashion flap. Vogue's latest AI-generated ad stirred up a storm, proving this tech takeover isn't just about clothes. It's shaking up creativity and trust across the board. The quick scoop. Vogue's AI ad sparked major backlash over authenticity. Creators worry AI threatens real artistic talent. The debate highlights trust issues with AI content. Know the buzz around AI's creative clash to navigate its impact smartly and leverage innovation without losing your authentic edge. Sponsored by Mammoth Club. Ditch the noise. Learn what matters. 2,000 plus expert vetted tech courses, real exam prep, and monthly updates, all for 50 cents per day. Unlock your all-access pass now. Tools for AI Edge. Want to stay ahead in AI? Here are some top tools to sharpen your skills and stay on the cutting edge. NVIDIA Isaac, AI platform for robotic simulation. ROS, Robot Operating System, framework with AI/ML packages. SLAMcore, AI for spatial intelligence in robots. Corp, AI, software for autonomous robots. MOV.AI, AI, robotics engine platform. Stay sharp with Mammoth Club. Like, subscribe, and grab the AI Edge newsletter for your next Intel drop. See you next time.